Hey friends, this is Taylor, and this is a quick update to the EDC pouch that I use for my toolkit. And the pouch that I'm using now is the Vanquest FTIM 5x7. So I'll open it up real quick. I've added a couple items since the last video, nothing too major here, but as you can see, it fits everything pretty well. I'm actually super happy with how it all fits in there. The biggest constraint was I didn't want to repackage the icon ratcheting set here. I like the way this is all set up and packaged. It's a really awesome, super durable case, but it's a bit thick for a lot of organizers. But this one has just the right amount of depth to it. So when you have it all closed up, it's not super bulky. It's also still able to hold it pretty well. I did add some shears since the last video. I've also added a precision or more precision screwdriver. And then this little pouch here sits like this. This actually has some additional bit holders and things like that. And I have in here as well a set of 1/4" drive sockets for that icon ratcheting set. So now I also have a set of sockets in addition to all the bits that it comes with. But the pouch is great. I have a ton of Vanquest products. I have about 6 or 7 of their backpacks and other organizers, but I didn't have the FTIM prior to this. And this is the smaller one. This is the 5x7. They have a larger one. It's the 6x9. But for what I was looking for, I wanted a smaller pouch. And this does a really good job here. I'm not really using this keeper right now, so that's just tucked back there. But we just have the icon back here, the little pry bar, all the elastic retention for my hand tools. Same thing here is the Ear Pro, and then the Work Pro utility knife. And this just kind of sits in front of all that. And what's great is it just zips up super easily. And it is a little bit bigger of a footprint than that. I was using that headphone case. If you guys watched the last video, you can check that out. But this is definitely much more durable. It's Cordura. You got MOLLE webbing on here as well. It's got a little handle. And then there's also a front little stash pocket in here. I don't have anything in this quite yet. But this is definitely a lot more capable, super rugged. This is wolf gray. They have a few other colors as well, but I like a lot of their stuff. Most of the products I have from them is in this wolf gray color. I'm very happy with this. It works super well. So a lot of people made some good recommendations on my last video. I was trying to figure out a better pouch solution, and this did it. Highly recommend them.